Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with Huntington. Huntington Bank's website, located at huntington.com, serves as the central hub for their financial services. Navigating the site, you'll find a comprehensive range of offerings, from personal checking and savings accounts to more complex financial tools like mortgages and investment options. Small business owners can also explore dedicated resources tailored to their needs, including business banking accounts, loans, and merchant services. The website provides detailed information on each of these products and services, often featuring helpful tools like calculators and educational resources to assist customers in making informed decisions. Beyond specific product details, Huntington.com offers a wealth of general financial advice and guidance through articles, blog posts, and other informational materials. This commitment to financial literacy makes the site a valuable resource even beyond the bank's own services. For existing customers, the website facilitates online banking, allowing users to manage their accounts, pay bills, transfer funds, and access statements securely. Huntington also emphasizes security on its platform, outlining measures taken to protect user data and prevent fraud. Furthermore, the website details the bank's community involvement and its commitment to social responsibility. Visitors can learn about Huntington's philanthropic initiatives and its efforts to support local communities. In addition to online services, Huntington.com provides information about physical branch locations, ATMs, and contact details for customer support. This allows users to easily find the nearest branch or get in touch with a representative if needed. Overall, Huntington Bank's website serves as a comprehensive portal for all things related to the bank, providing valuable information and resources for both current and prospective customers. The site's user-friendly design and extensive content make it a helpful tool for anyone seeking financial solutions.